Situation in Ziribam district continues to remain tense as armed miscreants suspected to be Kukis torched a police checking point at Langangpokpi last night. The incident took place at around 10 p.m. yesterday. The police checkpoint is located just 6 kilometers away from Ziribam district headquarters along Imphal Ziribam National Highway number 37. Upon receiving the news, a security reinforcement team along with fire service vehicles were rushed to the spot. However, they also came under heavy ambush and fierce gunfight broke out between security force and the armed Kuki miscreants. According to our Ziribam correspondent, it was not the first time the checkpost in Langangpokpi was under attack, since armed Kukis had targeted the checkpost on multiple occasions earlier.
Ziribam phamse Ziribam gi Langangpokpi naka police check post aina khangnaba adumba Langangpokpi national highway 37 lambi paring asigi yelon thangbadana singi saruksina Kuki furupsina khundaba Tamenglong district gi Tawsem subdivision gi manung chana leiba Phaitol village hariba mafam oiriba aduga oiron thangbasina Ziribam district chinba aduga Ziribam district gi naka check post oiriba adugumba mafam adudani huji lejirebse hariba mafam asida ngarang pung 10 rom tarakba adaida Kuki khulai paiba singni singnaba singna hariba check post asigi bunker police ki oiba duty tariba adugumba mafam asida mai thado ambadagi hariba thawdo adu thokiba adugumba mafam adudani huji lejaribasi hariba check post asida mamangda khogi nongoi kapsalakpa amadi bom langjilakpana chingba khogi nakagi check tawiba adugumba mafam asida thokiba kaya ama leibadagi security ki problem khara leibadagi hariba mafam asida nungthang lepagi thabaksi lepkhibagi khudongchaba lawraga hariba mai thabagi thawdo asi ngarang chatharikibani ngang mai sak pagi thodo je tho matung da Ziribam gi reinforcement team na phama sidagi mai sak phama du changchen giba matam da Kuki khulai pai basing ni singnaba singna laiba team adu da nongmai kapselak padagi phama adu da security sing da akan ba mong da mungnaba thoki loinana security gi maning da lak pai Ziribam fire service ki fire brigade gari da su nongmai masing khang da ba nongmai maru ke ama kapselak padagi fire service ki gari adu phama adu da khamba ngam da dana Langangpokpi gi petrol pump tana thogalaga ngahak tangai duna leibagi pausu leigiba gi rena nakal ani gi marakta Ziribam district police ka Kuki khulai paiba singni singnaba singa akan mamong da mungna bagi adugumba nongoi makhol kaya ama ngarang dang yamna tana gibagi irona na hujik phawbagi ona di adugumba thodokpa paudi leitre aduma puntra mathoi rom taba daida nongoi makhon taba lepkhibadagi hujik phawba thodokpa khuthokna ba amadi thoninda thodok thokpagi paudi leitri adumaku Ziribam ko thangnana leiba asingbo Phaitol village ta Tamenglong district police amadi 39 battalion Assam rifle ga hujik combing operation chathakre haiba pau amadi tari hariba combing operation asida khulai phaiba amadi tonga program sing phabagi paudi huji phobagi oine di leitri lagli bo afam di hariba Ziribam amadi Tamenglong district ani ga tainari ba national highway paring asigi yelon thangbada leiba Phaitol village aduga oinon thangbada leiba Ziribam district hariba ani sigi marakta sahi amagi mamangdi horaga Assam rifle na security ngak selaga leiragi ba mafam asida karamna jingdu adudagi makha da kumthara aga hariba police ki nakapoina si mai thari beno haibasi Ziribam praja miyam ki achobo hangna moi Audam Zariba, Rosimala Sagavam, SKTV News, Ziribam District.